When we define food security and equity in the food system, we also talk about access and is healthy food affordable and easy to reach for everyone? Here's a quote from Lord James Bethel: "We cannot hold people personally responsible for their diet if we do not create realistic choices. A healthy environment, a positive culture, and a supply chain to match. Often the decisions around food consumption is not in our control." Has anybody heard of food deserts? 10 million people in the UK and 23 million in the US live in food deserts. These are areas where we have high levels of poverty, public transport is poor, and the supermarkets are scarce. Local shops tend to sell highly processed foods lacking in nutrition, and traveling out of these areas to shop is often unaffordable for residents. So you get into a spiral of limited physical access to fresh food. So composite factors such as time and fuel poverty means that even people who do know better, they're making trade-offs by opting for unhealthy foods, as it costs half the price of a healthy diet, and it's easier to transport, spoils much later, and is more filling, and is less likely to be rejected by kids, and generally requires less time and energy to cook. So we're absolutely over consuming on sugar, salt, fat and protein, and we're definitely lacking in fruit and veg. When we buy food, when we talk about food security, the question is food being used in a way that maximizes potential nutrition and health benefits? Do people at all times have physical, social, economic access to sufficient, safe and nutritious food preferences?